Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki don tok say e administration go continue to create enabling environment and support businesses and entrepreneurs to grow for the state. Oga Obaseki con tok say as government, im dey very supportive to entrepreneurs wey wan undertake investment for the state, particularly the agro-based businesses, and say dis no be the first time dem dey support business groups wey get affiliation with the state. Obaseki tok dis one for the signing of Memorandum of Understanding MoU between Edo State Government and Sunora Food Canada for Govumet House, Benin City. Obaseki con say make dem dey very diligent and manage the expansion because dem don first get bad experience with one other company, but say im trust their company say dem go dey able to manage the expansion, business and opportunity properly, and say dem dey look forward to maintain and sustain the relationship between Edo State Government and Sunora Foods.
We, as a government, are very supportive of entrepreneurs who want to undertake meaningful investments in our state, particularly in the agro-based businesses. This is not the first time we're supporting business groups that have affiliations with our state. I just want to implore you that you should be very diligent and also manage your expansion, because the experience we've had with one other group that came in hasn't been a very pleasant one. We trust, given the experience and the history of your company, that you will not, you will manage the business properly, manage the opportunities properly. As a government, like I said, we are very supportive of businesses, entrepreneurs, and we will continue to create the enabling environment for your investment to be safe and for you to obtain the sort of level of returns that you expect that will help you sustain the investments. So once again, I want to congratulate you and thank you, and look forward to a fruitful relationship between Edo State Government and Sunora Foods.
Presido CEO Sunora Food Canada Govumet con tok say the company na 30-year-old entity wey dey trade vegetable oils to market across the world, wey include US, Canada and China, and say the company dey listed for Toronto Stock Exchange. E con still tok say Edo State come their mind fast to do business sake of how the governor Godwin Obaseki don reposition the state for investment. E con say their target na 10,000 jobs minimum and 15,000 indirect jobs, and say dem get other investment and development in terms of innovation, technical expertise to impact the community.
Sunora Foods is a 30-year-old entity, and we took the company private about 2 years ago. It was publicly listed on the TXS, which is the Toronto Stock Exchange. And one of the first initiatives was global expansion. And having secured financing to do the expansion, we had two markets. First was Indonesia, and the other was Africa. And as they say, charity begins at home. I said it's going to be Edo State. And that was particularly easy to make because of the investments and strides and the programs the governor has set in place. So thank you, Mr. Governor. We are excited for this initiative because of what it brings. It's an investment, but the investment is not just money. It's improvement in livelihoods in line with the dream of the governor and this administration. We are targeting 10,000 jobs minimum, and we're also targeting, which is direct jobs, and we're targeting over 15,000 indirect jobs. Now, apart from these, there are going to be other development in terms of innovation, in terms of technical expertise, and also we intend through our corporate social responsibility to impact the communities where we are going to operate in. So we are grateful for this opportunity. We look forward to a fruitful and successful partnership. And we want to especially thank the governor, the SSG, the Commissioner of Agriculture, and everyone that has worked tirelessly for this.
Secretary to Edo State Governor Osaudion Oge Esquire concerned the MoU on behalf of Edo State Government, while the Presido CEO, Sunora Food Canada Govumet, and Project Manager of Sunora Food Canada, Osamagbe Govumet, still signed on behalf of Sunora Foods. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, A. Kata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.